Good morning, everyone. Okay, let me introduce Dhofar Global. Dhofar Global is a company which started in the year 2007. The day when we started, we thought we would not go far ahead. But it's God blessing and the great team. We have the three pillar, I must say the three pillar, Mr. Hemant Kamli, Mr. Chandan Singh, and Michael Anthony. We three of us moved together to achieve the success year on year. Now those three pillar and the three campaign time has come to open up champagne with this award. Well, when we started in the year 2007, we were having a lot of challenges to grow the company, where a lot of competitors were there. The companies were there from 40 years, 45 years, who have been dominating the market, but there was a gap, and the gap to fill, Dhofar was there. We are a company who are highly specialized in disposable hygiene products, and when we started, we moved ahead from 2007 to 2008. Our growth was 200% since we were starting up. Over the period, we started growing with the people, and today we have 70% market share in UAE. I must say 70% market share in 7 years. We are in 2015. We just completed 7 years having 70% market share. We have also got a base in Oman, Qatar, and our vision to grow is to entire GCC countries till 2020, because the 2020 event is coming up, and we want to capitalize this event which is happening there. UAE is a great market to do a business and cherish each and every moment of the growth which you are going to enjoy over there. Anyway, let me cut this short. We were featured as a top 21 sustainable company in UAE. We were given a position of top 50 company in the GCC region with the base of parameters which we worked on. And there are 3 campaigns which was run by Dhofar Global, which was a great success in our industry. One was the cutback, second was color magnet, third was did. Now what does cutback stand for? Cutback stands for reducing the consumption of tissue by 22%, challenging the dispensing mechanism, the one which was extensively used in GCC country. That is the cutback campaign which has helped us to move ahead in the market. As I mentioned, there was a gap. The second campaign which we worked on, it was called as color magnet. Now what does color magnet stands for? It's very simple. Color magnet is nothing. Codifying tissue paper in the world, no one has done this. You will see the codification in different product, but codifying tissue paper, no one has done in the world. And what was the codification? We kept blue color. You would always experience something called as HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. So we found that there are certain critical area was there, and to cover up that critical area, we thought that let's come up with a color magnet. Now the blue color was specified to be used in food preparation area, because if white tissue fall in the milk, you can't see by your naked eyes, but blue color you can see. White color being pure in nature, you can use it in some other areas or a guest area, I must say. And the green color we kept for the general purpose. So these codification is being used, and we must say that all the people who are there from our industry or a hospitality industry should follow this. No one has done in the world, and we want that everyone should take this initiative to move forward. The third and the best which we are still working on is did. What is did? Everyone say, let's do it. We say, we did it. What is did? Did is nothing. We, like a doctor, what you do, you go there, doctor diagnose, they ask you a question. So we started diagnosing the areas where actually, the critical areas where we need to work on. And then we started imposing the rules by using color magnet or different kind of campaigns, and giving disposable product. And that has helped us to reach to a success of Paramount having 70% market share. And that's the way our team has been growing. We've been growing at a 50% year on year at this moment. And I'm sure the way we have been growing, there are times where we are going to win the entire world. Thank you very much.
We kindly request from Mr. Agostinho Domingos de Souza, representing Dora Consultores,